Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of my YouTube video. And today I like to share an unboxing experience of the latest Hermes scarf purchase I made online. And I like to share the excitement with you today. I this is the package that I just purchased. I have not even opened yet. So now let me open it and see what's inside. Just give you some background. I've been purchasing Hermes vintage scarf, and I was lucky enough to win some of the scarf in the auction. So there should be a total of 5 scarves. So now I'm just going to show you one by one, and you will see with your eyes, and hopefully, and I believe one of them are very beautiful. So yeah, and now I just open the pack, as you can see, and then the inside there are 4 different scarves. There you go. Well, actually 5 different scarves. So it's very exciting for me. There you go, 5 scarves. So now let's just take a look one by one. And at the same time, we can see, maybe to check if they are genuine or they might be a reproduction. So now let's start the first one first. To be honest, I really don't know what the title it is. I just really see them from the online auction. I really like the pattern and the color combination. That's when I start to bid. And I just very exciting that the waiting for like at least 2 weeks to receive. So now the first one, it feels good. It's very light. It have a bit of weight, and it feels like silk to start with. And actually, okay, it's navy blue. I wasn't sure what looks like, almost dark black, I thought. And here you go. And it has got some like historical building, like loaf building to me. And then I will show you the detail. And here you go. And then so that's the corner, and then the top is some kind of statue or some kind of museum. And in the middle is like aristocratic and the garden scene, and the middle is like some kind of statue, and on the bottom there's also another like a historical museum. And then if you want to look at the corner of the scarf, so this one look like some kind of sun, and here I can see here like some horsemen. And then I think this one almost the same pattern, and the other one also sun. I just want to see what the title is. It Sanssouci, and the rest I can't really see where's the logo. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere. Anyway, I will maybe here. I will take a close look afterwards. So that's scarf number 1, and I hope you like it. I can quickly tie. Yeah, it's sort of very beautiful, dark navy blue with a bit of white as well as gold color. So yeah, it looks pretty beautiful to me. Right, that's number 1. The next one, scarf number 2. So this one, I can't remember what I bought, but I'm pretty sure they all look genuine to me. So this one have got a bit pink color. It feels a bit heavier and feels very new, almost like never been worn. And here, first thing I found is this Hermes Paris symbol or logo, and very light pink color. It's actually similar to the other one. You have a beautiful golden crown on the front and has some cherries. Middle, a giant big anchor. And then it's like some kind of car and boat, and there is a lady's head statue. On the corner, just the anchor. And this I don't know what it is. Belt maybe. And this side, you see that a boot, some kind of boot. Yeah, there's a lot of objects in this scarf. I think it's really nice. It's busy, but I have a lot of pretty colors. And let me see, in English it says Musi. Yeah, I think that's the title of the scarf called Musi. I will have a quick try and just see the style, whether it looks good if I actually wear them when weather getting a bit cooler. So yeah, it's very much pink color. It's just similar to what the one I already have, but this one, some of the light blue color comes up, so that makes it a little bit different. So this is scarf number 2. And then next, this is one of, I think I like the most, favorite. I will just show you. But I wasn't sure about the color. I do like the pattern. It's like a sun in the middle and a star sign. But I know there's a lot of color, like black, pink. But the one they were on sale at the time was green color. See here, this is green color, and I love this pattern in the middle with a golden sun. It goes really vivid expression. And then you can see, I want to take a bit further, so you can see it's a big circle with all the star signs, and inside just the golden, some kind of golden trim or ornament pattern. And I'm not sure. Yeah, see all scarves. I think that's Virgo, maybe. Virgo, all kind of star signs. You can take a look, and that must be the. I'm not very familiar with star sign, to be honest, but you can see it, all 12 symbols all in the scarf. That's why I think it's very beautiful, and also because there's not a lot of color, so easy to wear. Majority of them just green and yellow. So yeah, maybe try to tie the Hermes tied on this scarf. So you do double, and then you put your hand in front, and then you tie the back. Then you put this one in the front, and you do a bow, like tie a knot like that, and then you have this square. I think it's like this, right? Yeah, so that's the square tie. So yeah, and that's the sun one, which I like the most out of all the one I buy. And if you want to take a look, if you want to have a triangle, so that will be sort of like that. So yeah, that will be the style if you want to have more patterns. And if you wear a white shirt, I think it will be looks pretty good. So that's number 3. Now I have 2 more to go. Scarf number 4. Number 4, it's a blue color, and this is very pretty with the flower pattern, so a bit of change. But the main color, blue and navy. There you are. So that's the square, fold into a square, and then we have some beautiful light blue tassel on the side. And if you want to take a look at the full scarf, I expand it's the style, and then you see in the middle have all those lovely pink and flower yellow and some golden color as well. So this one, I haven't seen the logo of Hermes. I'm trying to find it here because it's new to me. Oh, here I found something. So I think that's probably the logo. Yeah, lovely. I'll try this one. I'll just do a quick tie to see how it looks. So let's just do this, the most simple style. And so we'll do this triangle, and then you can just tie it. It's a bit awkward color with blue and my red dress. So yeah, that's the blue color scarf. And now I think now comes to the last scarf. The last one. Oh yeah, I forgot today is a Chinese New Year, year of horse. That's why I actually bought this horse pattern scarf. So that because I love horse. And this one, I know the color is pretty basic. It's just some kind of blue color, but I like the pattern. So now I'll show you what it looks like. I think it's just very unique. Look at the middle of the scarf. Here, the two horse head, and then around it, surrounded by different horse pictures or paintings, whatever you call it. And I do like another reason because see the side have all those like don't know, ribbon or something, and they slightly have different varieties. And I think it's just very simple, easy to wear. It's all between gray and blue. Yeah, I want to try a different tie-dye and different way. Yeah, and just you can wear with business shirt or work uniform. Yeah, and that's the very last scarf I bought. So now there you go. You saw all the 5 new scarves I have just bought, adding to my personal collection. And I hope you enjoy this episode and give me a thumb up, or subscribe to my channel for any new updates. And thank you. Bye for now.